I am Fab from the Epic Fisherman, and today I'll be making a tier list with the boats and fish. So I'm just gonna say this shortly: we are not counting a bad boats. So we got the rowboat. So I would say this would go into a C tier. Why not D tier? I would say it may suck. Its speed may suck, but it is pretty reliable for like beginners because it's cheap and you can. It's very slow, but it can get the job done. We have surfboard. This thing would be like. It's more recommended to use maybe the rowboat. So I'm gonna say this has to go to the D tier. Now, we have baseboat. I would say it isn't too bad. Its price is like bad, so like it'll take you like a little while, but like I would say this would go to C tier. Now we're getting into the big guns. Hoverboat or hovercraft. We have. I guess I'll put this in B. It's pretty reliable after like you start leveling up. It has high speed. Now we have speedboat. This thing would go into an A tier. It has high speed, high steering, high acceleration. It can hold up to no. It can hold up to 3 people. However, for 15K, I feel like it would go into a B tier. Now we're starting to get better. Fishing boat. Now, I don't know why it's more expensive than like speedboat, because like speedboat is more reliable. But for its speed, I would go with like maybe it would go in like between hovercraft and speedboats. Platoon. Do I have that? Yeah. This thing, it kind of sucks. Its price is bad. Its speed is mid, so I guess I can just go to bottom C tier. Pirate ship. Now, this thing can hold up 3 people, has 90 speed, which is surprisingly more than the speedboat. So, I would say this has to go into A tier. Back closer. So, Under really likes ducks, because his name is Under the Duck 21. But, I'm just gonna say, I'm sorry, but like it has to go into like a B. No, it has to go into the bottom B tier. I'm so sorry. Titan. I feel like it will just be like a worse version of the rubber duck, so B tier. And now we're getting into luxury speedboats. Now, we have the luxury speedboat. Some media Fs. It can hold up to 3 people. It's like only like a few. You need a few more levels, but like you just need like 5K more to get the luxury speedboat. So this thing would go into like an S tier. Good speed, but it's almost good at everything. Now jet ski. I feel like that I can This is self-explanatory. S tier, bro. And now we have the pro. Now, I wouldn't necessarily say it's like a better version of pirate ships. Like, I would say it goes into A tier. So, this was a solo video, and I just hope you guys liked it. So, goodbye.